How to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on display and brightness option, and further tap on the dark mode option and switch to dark mode. Now go ahead and open the TikTok interface, and it should appear in dark mode as TikTok follows your system theme. Make sure that you will not find a separate toggle for dark mode in the app. If that does not help you fix the dark mode issue, then go ahead and update TikTok as well as your system software. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and update the app further. Also update your device's system software, so launch the settings application and tap on general, and then on software update and update your device further if any update is available. After updating, repeat the same process and see if that fixes your issue, and if not, in general again, tap on iPhone storage and then on TikTok, and then further go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and will also help in refreshing the app. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.